Just one.
So I'm Phil, this is Jake, and that's my wife, Jo. So we're going to unbox this thing today, because the boy here and I have seen this. Oh, we'll get you back in the line of sight. That's the thing we look at when we're talking. We've seen this at Best Buy for a long time, and
Go put it in front of me.
And we've wanted to get it, but it's always been $1 million. But our future selves bought it for us for Christmas, so now we have it, and we're gonna play it. Probably just a Spider-Man Venom, but yeah. So let's start getting this thing open. We'll
I'll be Captain Marvel.
we'll let the boy hide behind here for a bit. I'm just kidding. We'll be seen.
We'll show him back. Yeah.
This is what we're gonna see. There's some statues and some glowing orbs.
Spoilers.
Orbs, infinity stones. I'm sure that there's other unboxing videos, but we don't care. I mean, he cares, definitely. So the first thing we get to see in here is the, I wonder if the game is actually in here, if it's just the steel book, because sometimes it's just the steel books.
I'll open that one for you guys.
We'll let her do that. I'm gonna grab a hold of this thing. I think you might have to grab it from the top and the bottom. Oh, that's thick. Oh, yeah.
Nothing? You're not going to say it this time?
It's got nothing thick today. Do we have a razor blade? Hang on before you start ripping styrofoam. Where's the...
I left it in the...
Wow.
You want me to go get it?
Oh, no, I got it. I got this.
Oh. I don't know if I'm supposed to show off.
You can show that. I was just curious.
Oh my god.
Sometimes... Yeah, it does look pretty
Okay,
nice.
there you go. I'm here to open the package.
Okay, the game's in there. Show them how pretty and reflective that is. And by them, I mean anybody that may be watching this in the future. Which...
You mean in 20 years when I'm going to allow you to post this?
In 20 years when he's of legal age, so that you can make all the inappropriate comments you want and not be tried in a court of law. We're getting there. Attack.
Rules are not set in stone.
Yeah, they are.
Infinity stone.
But let's
Good
peel
joke?
this thing back.
Good joke? No.
No,
Okay,
that was
not a
pretty
good
rough.
joke. Okay.
See, dad jokes are fun, but mom jokes are just cringy.
Mom jokes are kind of cringy. I believe in us. Oh, this looks pretty substantial in here. Oh, we got something stuck in there.
I think it's supposed to be.
Be careful, you don't want to break our cape.
Oh my god, you guys are the smartest human beings I think
It's
I've ever seen.
caught on the tape. All right. We got the lid off. We did it.
Let's put this.
Oh!
We did it.
Oh!
We'll let this one last.
We'll do that part last.
This is going over here.
So hopefully normally it'll be me and the boy.
And not the walking calamity of a
This
wife.
is comic relief tonight. Oh, here's some batteries. We're gonna open that part last.
Oh, I don't get to do it right now?
Yeah, are we good? Do we open these and snort these now, or is this later? There's one for
I
each
think
of
that's
us.
later.
Oh, do not
Do not eat. Don't snort it either.
Okay, so
No.
we'll let the lady open the lady. Oh, there's two ladies. Let's do one at a time. Let's get her.
Let's pull them out though.
Yeah, let's get. That's actually pretty substantial.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We set it down like right up in here and stand the steel case up to it for a
Dibs
height.
on keeping the Mega Man and Iron Man.
So that's the size of those. Those are pretty nice. They're light too, so that it's not like 50 pounds gonna fall off your shelf and hit you in the head. And there's Mega Man. Let's
Size batteries are these? AAA.
let's turn this lady around so you can see all her bits and pieces.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Is this what the costume's gonna look like in the movie? I thought.
Probably.
Have you not seen the trailer?
Similar. Here's Mega Man. Some of my fondest memories other than Final Fantasy 1 from the Nintendo era.
I'm just gonna set this down here till you guys are ready for it.
It's pretty spicy. Oh, there went that. That's okay. Here's Iron Man. Looking all kinds of awesome. You see that? He's pretty slick. You can rotate him around. And then my wife Janelle here, she'll know Captain Thighs of Fury.
Chun-Li.
This is the definition of thick. Well, they actually toned her down quite a bit from the game.
You know,
in the game, her thighs were about as big around as my waist.
Age 18 to 20 is that golden zone.
Really? You don't want to face...
I was trying to figure out how they go together.
He's the drunk superhero right now. He's facing the wrong way. Oh, do they actually connect? Oh yeah, look at that. The road pieces all kind of stick
I
together.
think these two go together, and then I
and
think
then these two are
go
friends.
together.
Okay, yeah, sure. Then we'll do it that way. So yeah, so we'll get these out of the middle. Can we have the box?
What was that?
Not that box.
No, I don't want that one.
We want the box with the orbs.
Here's your batteries.
Thanks.
They're called stones.
Those were batteries.
Yeah, and they'd go in that.
We're gonna put the batteries in before we open it.
You need a screwdriver?
Oh, yeah. There's no reason to be in a hurry. We've got nothing but time in this world. I guess all we have is time in this world.
Time is just a concept made up by humans to make things easier.
Or harder. Give us a beginning and an end. A point of definition. Let's make this kind of like the briefcase in Pulp Fiction, where we all get to see what it is, but the camera never knows.
Oh, those are actually pretty
That
cool.
actually is pretty cool.
Oh, they're pulsating.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we're really not going to show you this part. This is just for us. This is a family moment.
They don't feel like they should.
No, they definitely look like they're more textured. I'm just kidding. We're going to turn this around in a second. But we'll do the review. Do it slow and purposeful. Oh, you're ruining my dramatic. Oh. Holy hell! Did we do that in slow motion? There it is. Let's scoot it up there and get a good look. So they do look textured. In the picture, they look like rocks. Let's go back to the picture. I want to see this again. Oh, see, they look more like crystalline, like,
Yeah,
like
they don't look
geodes
like
or something.
Yeah, and
See
here
that?
they look more like they're dinosaur eggs.
They look like they're, I don't know, like a piece of glass you dropped on the ground and tried to glue it back together real quick. So, yeah, I'd say all in all for the 35 plus tax, it was well worth it. I don't know, what did it start out at 150?
Yeah.
I don't know if 150, like if you've got the cash laying around, this is a pretty cool collector's item. These statues are pretty neat. There's something that you get out of the $100 collector's edition. Like the God of War statue, it's probably as big as the Iron Man over there in the $120 version. So for $35, this is freaking awesome. For $150, it'd be cool if you're that kind of rich. But now we have to sit and play it, and that means that I'm gonna have to buy the DLC because the only player I want to play this is Venom and Anti-Venom and whatever other skins he has.
Yeah.
And oh, you're gonna close the orbs?
I am.
That's it. Now that you have them, you can put on your gauntlet and snap your finger. And
Yeah, these are mine now.
they are yours. Well, no, not really. They're gonna be someplace in the house where everybody can enjoy the orbs.
In my room, because you guys like to come in there very often for some
I know,
reason.
I enjoy the orbs.
Dirty jokes.
I don't know that was perfect for our target audience. And this is why that was a guest appearance by my wife. And thank you. Am I supposed to say like and subscribe? Comment below on
Click the
that?
bell.
That just means you want money and you don't care about your fans.
Oh, we're not doing this for the money.
Click the bell. Is that a thing?
Is it a bell? It's the thumbs
That's
up,
for like the
like,
notification?
the subscribes and
Something?
notifications.
Click something.
I'm glad you guys all know how YouTube works.
We don't. I'm doing this for fun.
Yeah.
And now we're just talking, so I should probably go ahead and stop the video.
Click the bell. I'm being told to click the bell.
We're being told to click the bell by the person in the know. So click the bell and comment below on what you want to see my wife do next, I guess. That was inappropriate too.
A little bit.
Yeah, okay, bye.
I'm keeping these, by the way.
I'm aware of that.